Hello, and welcome to this lesson on parts of a leaf. Seeing all of your beautiful autumn poetry and all the beautiful leaves around inspired me to offer this lesson to you. Before you get started, you need to go and find a selection of different leaves. If you don't have those yet, go ahead and pause me, I don't mind at all, and go and grab some leaves and some paper, something to write with like a pen, and a crayon. I'll wait for you while you pause me. If you're back, or if you haven't paused me, let's get started. You're going to need a selection of leaves, a pen or pencil, a crayon, some paper for labels, we're going to use 3 of them, and a larger sheet of paper for your work. I'm going to start with this leaf. I found it in my garden. This flat green part of the leaf is called the blade. I'm going to write that label. Here is the label for blade, and that is the green flat part of the leaf. If I turn the leaf around, you can see the veins at the back. The veins are the little tubes of leaves on the leaf that carries the nutrients through the whole leaf and back to the plant. I'm going to write the word veins. Can you see the veins on your leaf? Can you feel the veins on your own leaf? This part of the leaf is called the petiole. The word petiole comes from the Latin word for little foot, and it's kind of like a little foot that the leaf uses for dancing about in the autumn wind. The petiole is where the leaf is attached to the rest of the plant. This is how to write petiole. I have made a label for the petiole of my leaf. The next step that we're going to do is see if we can find the blade, veins and petiole on some of my other leaves. Here is a different leaf from my garden. It has a blade. You can clearly see the veins. And here is the petiole. Can you pick up a leaf in your hand and find the blade and the veins and the petiole? Here is a pretty autumn leaf. It has a blade, which is yellow. You can see the veins and the petiole. Here is a leaf in a completely different shape. It's super duper long. It's still a leaf. It has a blade. You can see the veins on this leaf. And where it was attached to the rest of the plant, you can identify the petiole. Can you find the blade, the veins and the petiole on different leaves? Here's what we're going to do for our follow-up. Using the flat side of your crayon and the leaf with the vein side up, we can take a leaf rubbing. Try to hold the leaf as still as you can. I'm choosing green because if you know me, you know green is my favorite color, but you could choose any color you like. I am going to label my leaf rubbing. I can label the blade, and I'll draw a little arrow to show that this is the blade. I can label the veins and label some of those veins. And I can label the petiole. Perhaps when you do your follow-up, you could make a whole autumn leaf collage. You could use different shapes of leaves and different colors, and you could also label your blade, your veins, and your petiole on your leaf. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. I look forward to hearing back from you. Send me an email of your beautiful work like you have been doing, and I can post it on the sharing page if that's what you choose. Have fun, enjoy this, see you later.